Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Our recipe for today is special tuna spread. Ingredients are 3 cans of tuna in water to be drained, 3 stalks of celery cut into small pieces, 1 whole lemon, and 1 chopped onions, Dijon and yellow mustard, mayonnaise, extra virgin olive oil, and my special ingredients, cottage cheese and capers. For bread, I used sourdough with jalapeno and cheddar, but you can actually use any type of bread. In a mixing bowl, put 2 teaspoons extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, juice from 1 whole lemon. Make sure your hands are clean and your lemon, of course. Then mix everything together. Next, put on 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 whole pack of cottage cheese around 200 grams. Mix again and then add your chopped onions and celery. Continue mixing and then add in a few pinch of dried parsley. I was supposed to use the fresh one, but it's out of stock, so I just used a dried parsley. Then add pepper. Mix well to incorporate all the ingredients. Now is the time to add in your drained tuna. Again, mix well until you see that all tuna are covered with the dressing. Let your tuna be chunky and not flaky. You can now transfer to a clean and airtight glass container. I recommend you do this a night before consuming it so the ingredients are all settled together. If stored properly, this can be kept in the fridge for up to 1 week. By the way, this recipe can make around 10 to 15 sandwiches. Depende sa lakas niyong kumain. Sarap! For this kind of spread, I want my bread to have a hard crust but soft dough inside. In a low fire, heat your pan, then add butter. Put in your bread and flip it from time to time para iwas sunog na bread. Do this for a few minutes until you see a perfect toast color. Now, finally, you can spread on your super yummy special tuna spread. See the different texture and color? I'm sure you will love this recipe because it doesn't taste fishy at all. Please share in the comments below what's your favorite tuna recipe. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you want to see more recipes from me including tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new recipes. Always remember, just cook it until my next video. Tata!